Hello guys, it's a day.
Kasi pag ganyan, mahirap na
We will be trying to make our outfit sleigh. As you can see, I'm a VIP.
Ano lang talaga sa ganyan.
Please don't ask me to give you because my best friend only gave this to me.
Ang babang na agad.
And today, I'll be showing you how to make your outfit sleigh. Oh, don't put this on, bro. First, the first one that we need to put to make our avatar sleigh. Click on this lipstick and color it pink. And then also get this face. After that, get some gloves. If you don't want gloves, just skip that part.
Mahirap yung mga ganun.
Yan yung sabi ni Doc. Kasi pag sa bahay, hindi na ibibigay yung tamang gamot sa kanya. Sabi niya, pag dito sa ospital.
Don't mind about what I was doing. I was just drinking water. Oh no! Guys, if you want to make your outfit super tall and slay, just go here and then go to the buying sections, and then equip. What's that again, bro? School thing, high heel boots, and if you don't have it, buy it in the shop. Buy it in the shop over here. If you don't have it only, guys. If you have it, just already put it. If you want to make it tall, if you don't want to make your avatar tall, you can just also skip that.
Message mo sa amin katulong. Kahit lakad kami.
Okay, I think this is perfect. And then get the skin. What? Okay, next you guys get this necklace that is, and then if you want color anything you want, and if you don't have it, buy it, and it's called Everlasting Love Necklace. Then after that, and then next for the clothes.
Grabe ang mata ni Mama. Para daw lumalobo na sa baba.
Guys, if you want to get this hat, just get it, and it's named face card with no space capital letters. Bro, I can't remove it. Oh. This face is not for sleigh, but next I'm gonna change it. And next, get this. And if you have it, just get it. And if you don't have it, it's you know man about that, guys. And if you don't have this and you already redeem it in 20, if it's still 2025 there, redeem it quickly because it's only available in 2025. and then the name is RDC Waist Chains, but it will say expired for you if you don't have it anymore. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can just give it to me. And guys, if you have the snake bracelets, you equip it and color it any color that's your favorite. And then after that, if you have the Fashion Maven nails, get it. If you don't have it, still skip that part. And it's okay if you don't have it. And then as you can see, it's already almost getting slay, I think. After that, you get eyelashes. Then color it and then color it black. Just black. Because that's the color of eyelashes. Then, and this face is not slay enough. Oh, this one is slay. Put this, guys. And then for the hair, we're gonna be putting this. Oh no, never mind. Don't put that. Then we're gonna be putting this. If you don't want a bald spot, just click on adjustments and then adjust it. Oh my god. This actually cannot mind it. Guys, it's okay if you have a little bald spot, guys. If you don't want any bald spot, just don't put this one on. And put this one on. Is it? This. Then color it anything you want. And if you don't like it, just change it to any hair you want. Oh my god. Guys, if you don't have VIP, for this, lipstick, that's okay, but I think next time, if I have so much Robux, join me and I'll do a giveaway for VIP. Only if I have too much Robux now, it's okay, I'll not do a giveaway because I don't know how to give people in this game. I mean, and did I? Then, guys, if you have VIP, get this lipstick, and then you get this. Oh, never mind, not this one. Equip this one. Yes. Then after that, you click on this jellyfish. And then there you go. Now you have your own fashion diva outfit. And by the way, guys, you can equip these things and you can go glitch to the VIP area. And then when you glitch to the VIP area, you can equip this lipstick and clothes and skirt and bye guys. Like for more tutorial for avatars in DTI. Okay, so bye guys.